Okay, still Sunday 20th of October 2019. We're approaching Bennett's Head, and just around there is the bar to Forster Tuncurry. And judging by all that smoke, they've either got some fire problems or it's barbecue night at the bowling club. I don't think it's barbecue night at the bowling club somehow. You never know. Anyway, another half an hour or so I'll be crossing the bar, which should be pretty calm, and find a place to prop. I didn't expect to be here. The speeds I was doing earlier on, I didn't expect to be here until 8 o'clock, but I'm going to be at the bar about 5:30 because we got a bit of wind, picked up speed, and here we are. Beauty. Don't have to grope around in the dark. Okay, that's all for now.